put our first notch flaps in. We're looking for that runway back there, right?
Mm-hmm. Which one? Which way?
To our left, behind us. Let's go ahead and turn again. Keep that turn coming in.
Traffic, 10 X-ray 3100.
Nice job on the recovery of the nose down, bud.
Bravo 5000, Derek Stern.
Octane traffic, Musketeer 80 Quebec, left base 22, touch go, walk chin. Alright, straighten it out. Level it off. We'll put our second notch flaps in. That descend coming down. Then we'll turn final. Pitch up just a little bit. Pitch back, pitch back. Pull back just a little bit. There you go, hold it just like that, okay? Here comes our third. Octane traffic, Musketeer 80 Quebec, final, 22, touch go, walk chin. And you just keep this coming down all the way. Hold this sight picture all the way down to the ground, okay? Good crosswind from the left today. A little bit more to the left. A little bit more to the left. This way. Good job. A little bit more to the left. There you go. Gotta watch the runway.
Octane traffic, Silver Army 10, 227 Kilo Papa. Taxiing from the gas pump to hold short runway 22. 227.
We'll break off our descent here. We're just gonna hold it.